Good morning. Ooh, from the Lake District. Look at this view. Oh my gosh. We've not even sat up and oh my gosh, it is beautiful, but it is very cold. It's a little bit frosty on the floor. So it's heading down to the little meet-up point and then we're going to be setting off. I think it's going to be about 100, 110, 120k, depending on the actual final route that we do, because we'd planned to go up to Rhinos and down it, and morning, and that is not happening, not in this weather. So let's head down. Morning.
Morning. Morning. Just a reminder about today, we're all going north. If you just fancy a bit of a leisurely kind of roll out today, then you're going to be working with me.
It's cold. I don't have much battery left, so this might be the last clip of the day. But we've had a bit of a change of plan. It was cold and icy, so we didn't kind of do the set route that we were going to do. And then a load of us just went, shall we just go and sit in the cafe and have a brew and not do the whole of the set route, which is what we've done. And I feel like I should just share that, because I am sometimes, what's the word? A sticker. I'm like, if I'm doing a route, I'm doing that whole route regardless, and I'll just put myself through hell. And this is almost like a bit of a reminder to be like, actually, it's just riding a bike. It should be fun. It should be sociable, and this is just what I've learned today. It was really nice. Sarah, one of the girls, one of the Rafa girls, was just like, it doesn't matter. We can just have fun. Let's just be sociable. And I think sometimes it just takes one person to say, shall we not do the set plan? Then like 10 other people like, no, let's not do the set plan. Let's just do something a little bit more manageable and steady. So I think it was meant to be like 130k. So I don't know what it's going to end up to be, but we've not done the big climb because of the ice at the top and snow and stuff. Yeah, this is what I've learnt today, but this is so pretty and I am so excited. What are these doing here? And all I've been thinking about is I really want beans on toast. I've not had beans on toast for, God, it must be a year, and I'm just like, I've got a craving for beans on toast. So let's go in and let's see, and fingers crossed they've got beans on toast. So yeah, let's go. Oh, look at everyone here. See, this is what it's about. Look at all the pink Rafa clan. Alright. This makes me happy. Hello. So we got back from the ride. My GoPro battery died, hence why there is no more footage, so sorry about that. We're just heading back in. We're going to go and have some dinner, and then there's going to be some awards, so we're just going to film a little bit of that, and then yeah, that is pretty much it. So we didn't end up actually with the ride, we did end up doing actually a lot more of it than I thought we would do. We didn't do Rhinos or Kirkstone. Some of the guys did Kirkstone and it was so snowy at the top, like just on the sides. The road was okay apparently, and I'm gutted I didn't get to do it because it just looks so pretty. But yeah, I will check back in with you in a little bit later.
Go down the struggle, and what did you do? Goes down the struggle. So well done, James.
Tell me what you're thinking instead of keeping